Hello guys, my name is Angelo Crypto. Welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to use Trust Wallet with Uniswap or PancakeSwap on iPhone or iPad. So as you know, Trust Wallet has decided to remove the DApp browser on the iOS version of Trust Wallet. So this is what they said. They tweeted. They tweeted it uh, yesterday. So we can we can read the official announcement on their website. That browser removal on iOS version of Trust Wallet. We are completely removing the decentralized application that browser from Trust Wallet on iOS, starting with our next release version 6.0. This is required to comply with Apple's App Store guidelines and to continue offering and improving our services on iOS. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to keep using, how to connect your Trust Wallet to Uniswap or PancakeSwap. So, if you are using Trust Wallet for the first time, you are going to App Store if you have an iPhone or an iPad, and you are going to download Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. This is the app. You're going to download it and set up your account. So you are going to be there. So you're going to download Trust Wallet and set up your account. So when you finish to set up your account, you are going to Safari, and type in the URL just um comma just where is that thing? Just again browser browser underscore enable. You are going to type this on the in the URL and then go. You are going to have this message. Open this page in Trust. Open, and then you are going to Trust Wallet, and you are going to browser. Now you can notice the apps disappeared from the browser. If you want to connect your Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap, so you are going in this URL and type um, pancake PancakeSwap search. So you are going there. Let's put only pancake. Let's remove swap. So PancakeSwap together in one word. So put PancakeSwap in one word. So PancakeSwap.finance. This is the address, and then you are going to the right corner and select connect. You are going to choose Trust Wallet. You can see it doesn't work. It's because in the left corner you can see the Ethereum logo. You have to make sure you select Smart Chain. So I select Smart Chain. You can see that my wallet is connected automatically. To the right corner, you can see the address of my wallet, and then you are going to the left corner to the settings. So the three dots, and you are going to select trade exchange, and then you can buy anything you want. If you want to buy SafeMoon, for example, you are going to select SafeMoon here. You can put SafeMoon. put the amount of Binance Smart Chain you have. I will put maximum, and then I can swap. I will get my safe phone on my Trust wallet. So let's go back. So if I want, for example, Uniswap, I'm going to type the address of Uniswap exchange. So I know the address. It's app.uniswap.org. Search, and then I have the app. So in the left corner, again, you have to make sure you select Ethereum. Now I can buy because Uniswap is in the Ethereum blockchain. Now, if I want to buy some Shiba Inu coin, I can just select SHIB, put the amount of Ethereum here, and I can swap. I will get I will get my Shiba Inu coins on my Trust wallet. So, guys, you don't need to change your iPhone or your iPad. You don't need to get another Android uh, device. So just because you want to use on Trust Wallet with Uniswap or PancakeSwap, so you can keep using it in your or iPad or iPhone. So this is the end of this video, guys. If you have any issue or any question, you can just leave it in the comment. So I will do my best to help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.